Hello, grade 9, how are you? Mr. Newlove is here again. Today I want us to learn how to plot a point on a graph. Alright, it's easy to do. For instance, let's start with this point. If you have a point consists of x and y. So the first value, remember when we're dealing with function, we are still dealing with function. The first value is x, which is the input, and the output is the second value, which is y. Now we have what we call a Cartesian plane. The Cartesian plane, this horizontal line, we call it x-axis. It's x-axis. Alright, then this vertical line, this line, we call it y-axis. This is what? Y-axis. Let's repeat. This one is what? X-axis. And this one is what? Y-axis. Is that okay? So if I have a point, let's call this point A. And this point we have 2, 3. 2 is the first value, which is x, so we must plot it on the x-axis, and 3 is y, is the second value, is y, we must plot it on the y-axis. How are you going to plot this point? X is what? 2, so it means on the x-axis move 2 to the right, it's positive. So move 2 to the right. So 1, 2. I've moved 2 to the right. Next, so I'm here. Then our output, which is y, is what? 3. It's 3. So now I'm here. I've moved 2. It says move 2 up. Move 3 up because it's positive here. So it means move 3 up. So I'm going to count. First, I move what? 2. 1, 2. For this 2, then I'm going to move 3 up. 1, 2, 3. I've moved 3 up. So this is my point. So this is where this point is going to be. Okay. We are going to plot another one. Let's plot this one. We are going to plot 3, 5. 3, 5. Let's see how we are going to plot 3, 5. So let me just put 3 here.
He will do it for you.
Let me put 5 here. Now 3, 5. See where it's going to be. You've seen 3 is the x, so it means 3 is what? Plus. So I'm going to move 3 to the right. Alright, I'm going to move 3 to the right. So let me move 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 5. I'm going to move. Okay, let me write it also here so that it will be there. 3, 5. Okay. Now, so I'm supposed to move 3 to the right. So I have 1, 2, 3. So 3 to the right. Then I must move 5 up because 5 is what? Positive. 5 is y, it's positive. So I'm going to move 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have this point. Okay, good. We are going to plot again. Let's plot another one. Let's plot this one. -1, 2. -1, 2. How are you going to plot -1, 2? Let me put -1 here. Then 2 here. So my plotting -1, 2. Okay. Negative means move to the left. Negative, this is x. This is the first value, x. So on the x value we must move 1 to the left, so -1, so we have moved 1. Then the y value is what? 2, so we must, it's +2, so you move 2 up. 1, 2. So this is my point. All right, good. Okay, let's plot another one. We are going to plot -2, -5, -2, -2, -5. Let me change this one to B. You can call it any number you like, any name you like. So this is -2, -5. Okay, let's see how we are going to get that one. -2, -5 is here now. What does it mean? From 0 move to 2 at the left. So at the left we must move 2 because it's what? Negative. When it's positive you move to the right, when it's negative you move to the left. So -2 on the x-axis we move 1, 2. Then on the y-axis it's also -5. It's negative, so you move down on the y-axis. If it is positive you move up on the y-axis. So now we are moving down, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point B, which is -2, 5. Are we together? Okay, let's move on to this. Let's try and plot this one also. Let's plot this. This is supposed to be your classwork, but let me plot 2 for you, then you do the rest. Ne? Okay, so we are going to plot -4, 3. -4, 3. Let's plot -4, 3. Let me put negative here. 4 is what? -4, 3. 3 is positive. So 3. Let me put 4 here. This is 3. Let me change this one to C. So we are plotting -4, 3. So it means on the graph we must move -4. Negative, how do you move -4 on the graph? So the first value, which is x, must move 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we must move 3 up because 3 is what? Positive on the y value. So you move 1, 2, 3. So this is -4, 3. Okay, we are done with that one. I want us to plot 0, 0. Let's see where it's going to be. It means x is 0, y is 0. Let me put 0 here and also 0 here. 0, 0. So 0, 0, what is it going to be? X is 0, y is 0. Will remain as it is. Ne? Okay, let's plot 0, 2. 0, 2. It means x is 0, y is 2. X is 0, y is 2. How are you going to plot it? X is what? 0, y is what? +2. So you move up 1, 2. Are we together? Let's plot 0, -3. 0, -3. 0, -3. So here x is what? 0, y is what? Negative 3, so you move 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are trying to plot 0, negative 3, so we have 0, negative 3. What is negative 3? 1, 2, 3. Are we together? Okay, we want to plot another one. Let's plot let's plot 5. Okay, 3, 0. How are you going to plot 3, 0? Our x is 3. All right, so this is 3 and this is what? 0. So our x is what? 3. So you move 3 to the right, so 1, 2, 3. Then y is what? 0. So 3, 0. Let's plot negative 2, 0, negative 2, 0. So we have negative 2, 0, negative 2, 0. How are you going to plot negative 2, 0? Negative 2, 0, it means our x is negative 2, so you move to the left 2 times, so 1, 2, and y is 0, so you don't move, you stay there. All right, good. I want you to do this work for me. This is your homework. Plot this one on the graph. I've done the first one for you, so you plot this, all of them on the graph. All right, okay, now I wish you all the best. Bye.